Hi, this is Team One Power Play and Path to Profit. I am Rhonda Johnson, your Help Me Rhonda tax diva, looking forward to helping you just work your business like a business so it'll pay like a business. Because I do believe how you do anything is how you do everything. So I have my tax guru with me, and we are going to walk you through the steps, the right way to start a business. So the key ingredients are intent. You must have the profit intent. If you're on this call and you don't plan on making money, then I think you should get off this video and go call Terry and tell him that you have no intention of making money. You're just in this because you love him and you love the business and you love the products, but you don't really have any intention on making any money. Because I think that's the first step. Because I think we all, when we get involved in these businesses, our full intent is to make some money, just enough for the cushion, for the family lifestyle, just make a little bit more to help out. And the mindset of abundance. Sozo is a unique company with unique products, and you are what makes the difference. So it's how you work your business that will make the difference, how you educate your people that you're introducing the business to. So always remember that there's lots out there, but you have a unique business, so you don't have to be worried about that there's more business than people out there. And key, a business plan. Now, when Tom goes into audits, that's one of the main things that the IRS is going to look for, is that you have a business plan. Now, it doesn't have to be hundreds of dollars or hundreds of pages. It can be very, very simple. In fact, we're going to give you a template as we go through this, and you'll have one available to you. It's just a few pages, and it's simple, and it's something that you need to do. And the record keeping. Record keeping is essential. And we'll give you some quick steps to do it and do it effectively. You want to tell them about this, Tom? This was your creation.
Well, basically, on the left is the actual business plan. I think it's about 6 pages long. Most of the verbiage is already in there. There's just blanks for you to fill in. It's very simple. It's very comprehensive, actually. Like Rhonda pointed out, this is one of the things the IRS keys in on. They call it a badge, just the intent to, it's just one of the indications that you do have the profit intent. And we think it can be much more helpful to you in the terms of goal setting, both for your upline and your downline, working with you on your goals, and then you working in turn with the people that you bring into the business.
The right way to start. Okay, we're going to give you a list. You need to kind of make notes for this. For record keeping, all of you have signed up for Expense Tracker, and we can't think of a better way to keep track of your, even though it's a budget, it really isn't a budget. It's more just keeping track of your business expenses and your personal expenses and keep them separated. It is just one of the best tools out there. And you'll be able to have a business and a personal debit card. Eric Tippett is your trainer for that, and if you have any questions, you can call me, and I will put you in touch with him, because the one thing you want to do is use it. If you sit back and you just contemplate any of this and don't really do it, it doesn't do anybody any good. Receipts, the more the better, so keep them all. We can make you audit ready. We cannot make you audit proof. And audits are up, so that's our goal, is to help you with organizing your business and doing the record keeping in a way that's professional and a level in which if you had to go to an audit, the information would be there. And most importantly, please do not use cash and report all of your income. As little and as insignificant as some of it may be, you sell something in a parking lot and it was only $3 or $5, you have to add it up. So if you're selling anything and it's cash, please, you can't put it under the mattress and think the IRS won't find it. It's better to be honest and be safe. Your separate checking accounts. Do not commingle business and personal funds. If you don't do anything from this day forward, do that one thing consistently the rest of the year. Don't commingle funds. Open up a second account if you don't have two already. at your bank. And don't say that it's a business account, because many banks charge you extra, and that's just an extra fee you don't need to pay, but you do need to separate them. But you can do that right through expense trackers. So for those of you that have expense tracker, just use your 2 debit cards and use it at the point of sale, at the decision, at the time that you're purchasing something. That's when to decide, oh, it's my personal expense, or oh, it's my business expense. And if you have, let's just say I want to pay an electric bill and I went into my personal account and I don't have quite enough to pay it, but I have enough in my business, then you want to transfer from your business to your personal. You're not going to transfer that $12.48. You're going to transfer $20. You're going to transfer in even amounts, because that way if you get into an audit situation and the IRS wants to make sure that it's not additional income somewhere, they can see that it's going from your business account to the personal, and it's not. You're not looking for $12.38. You're going to be looking for $20 on November 14th, and you'll see $20 going in the other account on November 14th. It's pretty easy to see what you're doing. You want to add, Tom, and finish out with this one?
Well, really the same thing applies whether you're using checks or credit card. You just want to have, we don't encourage you to go get a business credit card. A lot of people tend to think they have to have one with their business name on it, but just use one of your existing credit cards, hopefully one that doesn't have a balance or a small balance. And then, like Rhonda said, just carry the the business and personal cards with you. If you like to purchase things by checks, then carry your business and personal checks, and just make the decision, business or personal. And if it's a wobbler and you can't decide, pick business. You want to save the receipts. Very likely there's an audit in your future. As Rhonda pointed out, audits are up. All of the states and the federal government are conducting more audits. They're streamlining them somewhat, but basically they're looking for more money.
So you want to get these receipts. It's simple. I mean, I think it's really easy if you just want to throw them in a gallon Ziploc baggie and write on the outside of it with permanent marker for each month, January, February, March, and just put them in there, Ziploc it, and put it in a dark place. And hopefully, if you ever need them, that the thermal paper has not faded. You do have another tool through the expense tracker, which is much better than that, and that is you can take pictures of your receipts, and then through the expense tracker, they keep them. Once you put it into your business credit card side, it saves them there for 7 years. You're not going to need them after that. So expense tracker has kind of taken all the work out of this for all of you. If you use it and use it properly, it's just really easy. Once again, we are happy to be a part of your Team One Power Play training group, and on this path to profit, you will get to hear from us several more times, and we look forward to helping you and assisting you and being there to help you strategize. So please, if you have any questions, give us a call. That's why my cell phone's on there. I do want to get to know each of you, and I look forward to that. This is Help Me Rhonda, your deduction diva.